I'm Niamh. I am one of the early career scientists on the POROCLIM expedition on the Celtic Explorer, and I'm going to give you a tour of the boat. So currently we are in the dry lab. This is our mission control for the science crew. We work here in shifts, 4 hours on, 8 hours off, 24 hours a day throughout the cruise. This is where, you can see behind me, we monitor all the information that comes through. This is Ben. He's currently on shift at the moment, so we can't really disrupt him. But come with me and we'll tour the rest of the ship. This is the lounge. This is where we all come and relax when we've got downtime. Just through there is the most important room in the ship. That's our mess. So that's where we have breakfast, lunch and dinner, provided by the amazing chefs aboard here on the Celtic Explorer. I'd love to show you the rest of the ship, but unfortunately because we're working 24 hours on shift, there's always someone sleeping, so we do have to be quite quiet, and a lot of the ship is accommodation. We're going to go around to the back deck now, but first I'm going to have to put some of my safety gear on, because safety is the utmost important when aboard the Celtic Explorer. So I'm already in my safety gear. I've got my hard hat, life jacket, high visibility jacket and steel toe cap boots, so that I'm going to always be safe when I'm moving around the back deck of the Celtic Explorer. Come with me. So this is the back deck. This is where we launch our acoustic equipment, which gives us measurements of the bottom of the ocean floor. And as you can see over here, the back deck is currently full of containers. These are mainly for storage for equipment, but also up here we have our monitoring station, which we'll go take a closer look at now. Along with our dry lab, we have this monitoring station, which is where you'll always find one of our scientists. The banks of computers behind me here log all of our information in real time. We monitor them to make sure that our instruments are all functioning properly. Like I said, there's always a scientist in here when we're running a profile, but we're currently in transit, so it's empty for today. So now we'll finish up the rest of the tour on the bridge deck. Come with me. Above me is the bridge. That's where the captain controls the ship and keeps us on time and on course. The Celtic Explorer has been an amazing place to call home and call our office for the past month. I hope you've really enjoyed this whistle-stop tour, and certainly my favourite thing about this office